Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this unit that was sent to me by Julia's Hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. This wig is so freaking pretty and just gorgeous. Like, it reminds me so much of how my natural hair used to look when it was a little bit shorter. I am super in love with how it came out. So if you guys want to see how I installed it and everything, make sure that you keep watching this video. But before we can get into it, I'm gonna show y'all everything they sent in my package. They sent this cheetah print, what do you call this? Elastic band. I'm sorry y'all, it's late. My mind is a little jumbled up. They also sent another one just in another color. They sent me some lashes, and then they also sent this makeup brush which slides in and out of this thing. Is so freaking convenient. I love it so much, and it comes with the top. Uh-oh, let me not mess it up. There we go. It comes with the top, and it's super duper convenient for my makeup bag, and I just pop it right in there, and it's also good for travel too. But yeah, and then last but not least, they sent these wig caps, which really mimic like pantyhose to me. They're super duper thin. Just the quality of them is just super good, so I love when they send these right here. But that's everything they sent my package, so I'm not gonna ramble no more. Y'all already know, before we can get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and thumbs this video up if you enjoy it, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel, because my cash baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe, you keep it lit too. And that's on what? That's on me, yeah. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get right into this video. this is how my hair turned out. I am so in love with this hair. Like, this hair honestly reminds me so much of how my natural hair used to look, and I'm just so in love with this hair. Like, it's so cute, and the shape of it is just so perfect. Like, it's so freaking cute, y'all. And Thanksgiving tomorrow, I'm so excited to wear this freaking hair. Everybody's gonna be like, is that your hair? And I'm like, no, it's not my hair. But it's my hair. I love it, y'all. Like, it's so freaking cute. And it only took me probably like 30 to 45 minutes to install this entire wig and style it and do the baby hairs, like everything. So I'm super stoked about that. The hair feels amazing. I haven't had to comb through this hair at all, so I can't tell you guys if it's any shedding, but I highly doubt it because the quality of this hair is amazing. The lace is amazing. The knots on this unit super duper small. I didn't even bleach the knots, y'all, and you can't even tell. Like, it looks so freaking natural. I have nothing but good things to say about this hair, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. But of course, all the links on this hair will be listed in my description box, and I will see you guys in the next video.